for the weather.
So we're just starting to get back to normal after the last storm. Some folks still don't have power, and now we're looking ahead to this Wednesday storm.
Yeah, we got a lot on our plate right now. Very busy stretch for us. You know, it's always so tough when you feel like spring is starting. We had this warm February, and now we're into a wintry pattern for sure. So here are the headlines with this next one. Snow, the main story with this storm. It's a colder one than the storm we had last week. Highest amounts will be inland, away from the coastline. Still a little bit track dependent. I'm sure there'll be some adjustments over the next 24 hours. And windy at the coast, not as strong as last time, not as much flooding as last time, but there will still be some outages and some areas of coastal flooding with this storm. We'll start with what's going on out there this evening. It's still windy, especially near the water. Been seeing some gusts over 40 miles per hour today. The waves are still extremely impressive. Wave heights over 20 feet are just offshore. And there's a coastal flood advisory out again tonight for the high tide. That's after midnight from the seacoast and the North Shore across the South Shore, Cape Cod, and Nantucket. Still areas of minor flooding they'll be expected tonight. And that'll be, I think, the 9th straight high tide cycle. Temperatures are in the 40s for the most part, and tonight we'll dip back in the upper 20s to low 30s. Could see a couple of flurries near the coastline. Otherwise, a chilly evening with a north-northeast breeze. And tomorrow's temps will stay close to 40 degrees yet again. Partly sunny skies, less wind tomorrow. If you got to get outside, got to get some work done, tomorrow will be a calmer day to do so. Now, the storm system that we're watching moves in on Wednesday, and the morning looks dry. And as we head toward midday, there'll be a chance for some light rain and snow to break out. But the heavier rates, the real stuff, moves in around mid-afternoon, and things will go downhill on Wednesday evening. What you're seeing here is that we're likely going to see a type of coastal front develop with this storm. It's a traditional one, very close to 128. So inland areas see a heavy thump of snowfall heading into Wednesday evening. Near the coast, we'll be waffling back and forth between some rain and heavy wet snowfall. For Cape Cod and the islands, this is mainly just a rain event for you. We should get at least a burst of snow in the Boston area as that rain line moves its way back and forth, and everything will be winding down very early on Thursday morning by about 7 to 8 a.m. So expected snow totals are highest inland, and I think the area of least certainty with this storm is this zone between 495 and Boston. Are we going to see this go a little bit lower or a little bit higher over the next 24 hours? This will be the spot to watch in the forecast. But I think inland areas will see a heavy snowfall come down, and then southeastern parts of the region will see some wet snow, but mostly rain. And it'll be another 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, so some freshwater flooding will again be an issue. Here's a look at the wind gusts. Again, not as fierce, but 35 to 50 at the coast, some up to 60 on Cape Cod. We've got a lot of compromised trees, branches. Could still see some of those come down, and anything where wet snow clings to it, that would increase the odds of some power outages with this storm. As for the flooding, we'll be watching these two high tide cycles. The astronomical tides are about 2.5 feet lower than they were with this last storm. That helps us out. So some minor to perhaps moderate coastal flooding will be likely. And outages, I'd prepare for them again with those gusty winds. Again, there are a lot of trees in rough shape, and so this storm could help to bring some of those down. And here's a look at the full 7 days. We head into Thursday. We'll be seeing things dry out, but a breezy day, high near 40. Friday, a couple snow showers, and then a brighter weekend in the 40s. David and Lisa, daylight saving time starts this weekend. It'll be bright at 7 p.m. next Sunday night.
All right, that's outstanding. Eric, thank you.